Imagine using your city data for proactive daily management, fast execution, and informed future planning. Cisco estimates digital transformation could help cities worldwide tap into a $19 trillion market opportunity. How? We've built a platform that allows cities to learn from their data to improve quality of life for their residents and make money doing it. The platform collects data from multiple sensor types, identifying the relationships and creating a digital model for your city's operations and service delivery. Want to optimize waste management pickup time by knowing exactly where and when to deploy your trucks? Want real-time parking statistics to help the flow of traffic? Want live updates on your city's environmental levels? Look no further. Introducing the Smart Connected Digital Platform. See how our new platform can improve your community. Visit our website to learn more.